One of the things that sometimes people forget about is making sure that they've got all of the different settings correctly adjusted as they move from program to program. Let me explain. As we talk about the different factory presets, each one of them have a total air powder delivery percentage that would be for that particular program. And many times people forget about the fluidization air and the rinse air. Those are important to remember that you adjust correctly. Let's just cover a few more details about that. With any program that you set with the OptiFlex Pro, whether it's our factory presets, you'll see that in this case, all three programs have the same total air and powder delivery percentage. That's certainly one important thing to make sure as you go from program to program that you remember that each program has its own total air and powder delivery percentage that is set. Likewise, we also don't want to forget about the rinse air and the fluidization assist air. Those can be important because sometimes you might want to make an adjustment of increasing or decreasing the rinse air, or the same with the fluidization air. So sometimes you may find that you're having trouble with the powder. Just make sure that you're looking to make sure that on any given program, each one of these numbers are where you need them to be set and they're consistent from program to program. Hopefully it's something as simple as either total air or powder delivery percentage, or the rinse air or fluidization air that maybe someone forgot to set or adjust correctly as you go from program to program. Either way, making sure that those are consistent each time, you'll have successful results with the OptiFlex Pro.